So now the yeast has started to bubble, and we will add the flour to start making the pizza dough. The dough has risen. We will punch it down and then flatten it up, get it all nice and ready. So now I've rolled out the dough. It's not going to be a perfect circle because I don't have the space to really maneuver to make it a circle. So it's kind of like an oval because I'm rolling it out on a tray to make it easier and less messy. And now we just have to put the tomato sauce, and I'm going to use Fontina cheese. So we'll get that going and then put it in the oven. Okay, we have made the pizza. It has a mixture of a whole wheat crust, a nice Sicilian spicy tomato sauce with Fontina cheese. I'm only going to put Fontina on this one. I'm not going to put mozzarella or Reggiano on here. Not today. Well, let's put it in the oven and see how it comes out. Mashallah, the pizza came out great. I will put the recipe for the dough in the description box. I hope you're able to make some pizza. It's a nice rainy day here, so pizza is a perfect fit. Mashallah.